This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Sanders Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1135 Lejeune Boulevard in Jacksonville.